welcome back to my kitchen. So we are still working on the 5 food groups, and today we're gonna focus on fruit. So last time we made a fruit salad, this time we're gonna make an ice cream. So what you're gonna need is a blender. You're gonna need about a cup of washed strawberries, and you're gonna cut the tops off, the green part. 1 ripe banana, a tablespoon of agave or honey or whatever sweetener of your choice, or you can completely skip sweetener because fruit's pretty sweet as it is, and 1 cup of coconut milk or almond milk, whatever milk of choice. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so I showed you how to safely cut the tops off strawberries last time. I'm just gonna show you again because it bears repeating. So we're gonna take our butter knife and our strawberry and just cut a V shape on the tops to get the green leafy parts off. I like to use the strawberry caps and the banana peels for compost so they don't go to waste. This is massive. Next we peel the banana. And just pull the little banana butt off because there's a little spiky thing in there. I don't know what it is, but I don't want it in my ice cream. You don't have to chop up the banana because that's the blender's job. Okay, now it's time to go in the blender, so I'm going to take the lid off. And the first thing I'm going to pour in is the 1 cup of coconut milk. Just right on in there. And then a tablespoon of blue agave. It's a sugar alternative from the agave plant, but you could use honey, you could use whatever sugar works for you. Or like I said, you don't even have to use sugar. So a tablespoon, it's filled all the way to the top. Can you see that? So I know I got enough. I'm just gonna pour it all the way around the edges. And then add my fruit. Strawberry, strawberry, banana, strawberry, banana again, more strawberry, huge strawberry. All right, so all my ingredients are in there. I'm gonna put the lid on, and this has a safety feature where it doesn't blend unless the lid is tightened on securely because they don't want any accidents. Then, this is where it gets kind of loud. So if you wanna turn the volume down for this part, totally understandable. It's gonna get kind of loud. So all of the ingredients are blended. You want them to all be the same consistency, no chunks. So once it's all completely mashed and blended, then you can either pour them into a freezer safe container, like this Tupperware, or you can make popsicles. You can pour them into these individual little popsicle shapes and put them in the freezer. So we're gonna let these freeze for about an hour, and then we're gonna try some. All right, I'm gonna try pouring some in this container, and this would be the kind that we'd scoop out with an ice cream scoop and put into a bowl. And then I'll make a popsicle, so we could try both. It doesn't make a whole lot because I only used a cup. So it's about enough for 1 person. But if you wanna make some for your whole family, just increase it by however many people are in the house. So I made 1 cup of fruit for 1 person. You would make 4 cups of fruit for 4 people. Math. Okay. Hopefully I can get it into this without spilling it everywhere, but you've seen me. I don't mind making a mess. We just clean it up. So you can see it's all the way in the mold, and it'll come out that shape, hopefully, in an hour. I'll just pour the rest into this Tupperware. I don't know why I went German there. Anyway, we'll let that freeze. I'm excited. Well, friends, it actually needed overnight to chill. An hour wasn't enough. So we're gonna test it out now. It's all nice and frozen. And I have an ice cream scoop. You could use a spoon. And if it's really hard and you can't get into it, you could leave it out for a minute or two and let it kind of get to room temperature. Or you could run your spoon or your ice cream scoop under some warm water, and that'll make it easier to go through the ice cream. So here we go. Oh, it's actually not that hard. Let's see. Ugh. I like big scoops, and I cannot lie. All right, so I got my ice cream, and we're gonna try it. That is yummy. It's not too sweet. It's just like natural fruit flavor, which is better to me than that synthetic processed stuff. So you can use any combination of fruits you like. See what kind of creations you come up with. You could even add vegetables if you wanted to blend in some carrots or kale or spinach in the blender while you're chopping all this up. And then it's just kind of like hidden vegetables, hidden nutrition in your dessert. All right? So if you make some, please let me see it. I would love to know what you make. And until then, get messy, make mistakes, and learn from the chaos. Bye! Hello! What? So what you're gonna need is a blender, about a cup of strawberries that are clean, and you're gonna have to like cut off the green parts. Some coconut milk or almond milk, whatever kind of milk you prefer, and one ripe banana. Did I say the agave? Let's start that over. I like to use the strawberry caps for compost. Next we peel the banana. No. Now it's time to load up the blender. So I'm going to take the lid off. And I'm going to put a you know what? Hold on. So now, no. And I'll give you a little background here. I've never made ice cream. So we're gonna see how yummy it is. All right. So I've got my ice cream in a bowl, as you can see here. And we're gonna give it a try. Suddenly I can't operate spoons. Cold. Have a big bite. Oh, that's cold.